welcome to PSB Academy's first couch session. Now today we will be rolling our dice, and this is our first episode where we will roll the dice with our lecturers. And we have Ms Salitha Nair. She is our lecturer for Human Resource and Management, and she is fantastic and she's looking forward to join us. Now this game is very simple. If you get a skull, you are in trouble, and if you get numbers, you are in a good area. Join us in this really exciting episode.
Hi everyone, my name is Salitha. My advice to the students is work hard, be committed. You need to know what you want to achieve in life and don't stop dreaming.
Hi Salitha, welcome to the couch session. I'm pretty excited to have you on stage here. Just to kickstart this journey, right in front of you, you have two big things.
Okay,
all right, and these two dices are going to dictate this entire session with questions. If you get it right, they're good questions and good answers. If you get it wrong, there is a mystery forfeit for you.
Oops.
So why don't you start off with the first roll?
Okay.
Pick up both dices and roll it off.
Oh no.
Now we have a 2 and we have a mystery question later, which is definitely a forfeit. All right? So just for you to see, for everyone, this is what's happening. The forfeit, right? Okay, now we'll just jump straight into the question. Now, which campus do you teach? Because I understand PSB Academy has two campuses. The city campus and the STEM campus, yes?
Yes, I'm at city campus.
City campus. Where is it exactly?
Marina Square.
Is it a nice place?
Oh, it's a wonderful place. You know, most of us are already, online and stuff, right? So, a lot of students, we have an option, whether you want to come into class or no, so, but nevertheless, we still continue with our teaching.
Okay,
yeah.
Right, okay, so I have a special word that I would like you to pronounce.
Oh no.
And that word is red lorry, yellow lorry. Can you say it?
Red lorry, yellow lorry.
No, you gotta give me three times.
Red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow
lorry.
Wow,
wonderful, Salitha. Wow, even I couldn't do that. Fantastic. All right. Okay, come on. Let's go to the next roll. And what do we have? Right. Okay. Now, so the question that I have for you now, you specifically teach HR and management. Now, if a student is joining PSB Academy and is signing up with our business courses, specifically to learn business management and human resource, what can a student expect in class?
Okay, very good question, Ramesh. Because, for example, I'm doing a ENU program, Edinburgh. The students are mainly part-timers. So they work and then they come for classes in the night. So what we do is that we are not, as I mentioned earlier, the syllabus, the curriculum that we have now is basically to ensure that they're able to think on their feet. They're able to have some critical, approach in looking at things. So this is where we normally have lots of case studies. They need to presentation, and I can be a bit more naughty, where I actually give them debates.
Right.
So what they do, what I've got the feedback from the students is that they actually applied some of these into their working place, and they have got recognized for that.
Okay. So when you say debate, that means which means when they come to class after a long day's work, and you throw a question to them, and they have a group debate.
Yes.
Right. Okay. Fantastic. I think that keeps them sharp as well.
Oh yes, definitely. Because it's so boring. I mean, you must understand they're coming after a very long day, tired day of working, as I used to mention. So you need to give them a bit more excitement. Okay. So yeah.
Okay. All right.
And I always have full classes.
You always have full classes. All right. You heard that here. She always has full classes. Okay. Last one. One last one. Okay. Right. Now, if you can highlight three main things. Okay. Three main things. How a student can excel in his studies, his or her studies, and a career as well. Three. So which means I need a total of 6 things. 3 during studies time, and 3 for the career.
Okay, studying time, number 1, commitment. Okay. Secondly, hard work. Okay, hard work definitely pays. Thirdly, you must also make sure that attend classes and ask questions. Don't be shy. These are 3 things for students. Once again, they need to understand what is the industry is all about. What is the current trend in the industry? They must make sure that they keep relevant. They must understand what's happening. All right. And secondly, networking is very important. And thirdly, teamwork.
Okay. Well, thank you so much, Salitha. I think it has been a very informative session. I have learned quite a bit from you as well in this very, very short but crisp session. Thank you so much for your time again, and we will see you
Thank
soon.
you so much for
Right?
having me, Ramesh.
Thank you.